This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Gather materials and set a size reference. Use a 3.5-inch tall cup as your standard to keep proportions consistent. Begin by sketching basic shapes: a circle for the lemon, a rectangle for the pitcher, and an oval for the glass rim. Light, loose lines let you adjust proportions before committing. Select pencils from HB to 4B, a clean eraser, a 0.5 mm fine liner for inked outlines, and either watercolor paints or colored pencils to render translucent lemonade and reflections. Block in the lemon with a circle plus a small teardrop at one edge to indicate the stem end. Aim for a reference radius near 1 inch on your paper. Map the glass by drawing an oval rim, 2 vertical sides, and a base whose height is about 1/4 of the rim width. Indicate the lemonade level with a horizontal line inside the glass. Sketch a lemon slice cross-section with small wedge segments, a few pulp dots, and a thin 1/8-inch highlight band along the glass to imply reflection. Define a clear light source and shade accordingly. Use a light midtone on the lemon, a stronger 25% shadow on the underside, and a bright specular highlight on top. For lemonade color, mix pale yellow with a drop of warm orange. Apply as a diluted wash or layered colored pencil to achieve translucency. Render reflections and refractions inside the glass by preserving highlights and softening edges. Ground the composition with a cast shadow at a 45-degree angle from the light source, extending to about twice the glass diameter to anchor the objects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.